my love, I hope na alam mo palagi na the best choice I did is ang piliin ka. Choosing us. I'm not standing here because everything has been perfect. I am standing here because you have been steady even when I wasn't. Because you have loved me in all my moods, all my overthinking, at kahit na sa panahon na I'm not the best version of myself.
It's getting late, just you and me. You say my name, but differently. Like the look that's in your eyes. I want your desire. I want you to say to me all the things you want to see. Just give me your fire. It can be anything you want us to be. Just give me your
Una po kami nagkakilala ni Crystal Jean
crowd is gone.
dito po sa sa bahay po ng tita niya kasi may
Hold me
birthday po. Nung una ko po siya nakita is po, kung ba nagustuhan ko siya kaagad.
to me all the things you want to see. Just give me your fire. It can be anything you want us to be. Just give me your desire. Just give me your
I stand before you, promising to be your sanctuary in the storm, your haven of peace, and your source of unwavering support. I promise to be your cheerleader, your partner in growth, and your anchor when life's waters get rough.
I've been holding my breath, then I want you to know I've been waiting for this, I've been keeping it close. I've been holding my breath, then I want you to know I've been waiting for this.
Tinatanong-tanong ko lang po siya, kinakausap ko po siya. Ayun po, hanggang sa humaba yung conversation namin. And then, ayun na, nagtanong na po ako sa kanya kung pwede ko ba siyang ligawan.
Just give me Just give me Just give me
For City! Hug! Hug! And Angie! And ano rin? Ang pa-plastic nyo! Kuya Be! Eden! Yes! And sa pinaka-beautiful, cheers! Thank you, and last two. Watot! Bigyan pa ba kita? Ay, may Ayana!
Thank you, baby.
I see the stars fall in your shadow. They scatter light where you stand
Crystal
tall.
Jean, Mami, eto na yung inaantay natin dalawa, pinapangarap natin na kasal. So, eto na yung araw na naantay natin. Sana maging okay lahat. Yun lang, I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
You're the hero in my eyes, the one who lifts me when I rise. Every word you speak, guide. You're the hero.
Sa simula pa, ito yung plano ng Diyos Ama. Maging tapat kayo sa isa't isa. At dahil Diyos mismo ang tumawag sa inyo sa tipan na ito, nakasisiguro kayo na ang Diyos ay maging tapat din sa inyo.
No mountains too high. You're the bridge across the dark. The flame igniting my spark. You're the hero in my eyes. The one who lifts me when I rise. Every word you speak, guide. You're the hero in my eyes.
Don!
You're the calm
Hey!
the shelter.
Charles! Paldo ka sa tanso, boy! JR!
Goodbye already seals the fate. I was
Yeah!
on a grave
Sa kang bayani! Yael!
healed somebody's pain. So if you
Pero
love
mga tayo!
right now,
Dwight
before the
Howard!
silence gets
Yeah!
before the distance steals our time.
Jimboy! Ano?
Goodbye. Hold my hand.
Kenneth!
I'm still here. Say
Ano?
words I can hear because hearts don't need love after death.
Today, I commit my love to you as your wife. I will choose you today and every day with all your perfect imperfections. I vow to love you unconditionally, to choose us, and to honor this sacred bond we are sharing right now and always.
Love me when I'm here, while my heart still beats tonight, while I'm standing by your side, while there's tears left in my eyes. Love me when I'm breathing, not when it's too late to say all the words you kept hidden away, thinking there'd be another day. Because tomorrow isn't promised, and time can disappear. So if you really love me while I'm here. Tell your mother that you miss her laugh. Call your father while you still have. Hold your friends a little tighter now, because life changes somehow. Too many people leave this world never knowing what they were worth, never hearing I'm proud of you, never hearing I needed you. And maybe love was never meant to hide behind regret. Maybe hearts were made to speak before they break instead. So don't save your kindness for another day, because one day later could fade away. Love me when I'm here, when I can still feel your touch, when your voice can lift me up, when this world gets way too much. Love me in the present, not only in memory.
Never sila nagtago sa sekreto sa isa kag isa. Regarding sa part na ipagkulangan, open sila. So I hope pubrahon nyo po na para matalk nyo dayon, para mahimuan nyo dayon sa paagi kung ano ang kinahanglan nga himuon para maging strong pang relationship niyo.
One conversation can save us all. One I love you can heal someone. One moment of kindness can stop a person from giving up. So love loudly, love honestly, love people while they can still hear your voice. Tell them
Bradley, ikaw ba ay naparito ng kusang loob upang makipag-isang dibdib sa babaeng ito na iyong iibigin at paglilingkuran bilang isang asawa mo?
Because real love doesn't
Opo, opo.
until somebody disappears. And maybe if we loved more openly, this world would heal more beautifully. So if your heart is real and sincere, love
Crystal Jane, ibinibigay mo ba sa kanya ang iyong sarili
don't wait.
bilang kanyang
Tomorrow isn't
esposa?
guaranteed.
Opo, Padre.
Love me now while I'm here. This world would heal more beautifully. So if your heart is real,
Bradley,
sincere,
you may now kiss the bride.
love me while I'm here. Don't wait, tomorrow isn't guaranteed. Love me